I created this neutral look using a few shadows in my collection, and why not stick around and see how I created this look. I've already done my face. I've added my concealer, foundation, also did my brows as well. And this is something different from me. I normally don't do my face application first. So that was the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. And I also mixed the Born This Way concealer as well as my MAC's 24 Hour Wear concealer as well. And set with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I've had this Makeup Geek Pumpkin Spice palette since it was released, and I haven't really dabbled into it very much. So for 2019, I plan on using some of my palettes. So I'm going in with this mustard brown shade and adding that to my crease and blending it, doing circular and windshield wiper motions. Next, I'm going to go in with this brown shade, more of a hot chocolate brown, and I'm going to add that right below where I added the mustard brown shade. This is an extremely versatile palette, so I'm going on in with this burgundy shade. It's a matte burgundy, and I'm just going to add that to my outer V and blend it inwards. So I also have this Pat McGrath Sublime palette, and I'm going in with this gold shade, and as you can see, I barely use that palette either, but I do love the Pat McGrath eyeshadows. They are soft and buttery, and you don't need to cut your crease. These shadows are so creamy that they cut the crease for you. So now that that's all done, I'm going to go in with this burgundy shimmer shade, and to be honest, this was the main reason why I purchased this palette. I love deep maroon burgundy shades like that. So I'm going back and forth with the burgundy and the gold, blending the two of them out, making sure that they blend seamlessly into each other. And now I'm just lining my lash line with the NYX matte liquid liner. And I also added my lashes off camera. I don't know the style of these lashes, but they are by More Lashes by Tiffany, and they don't have a name, they just say D06 on the packaging. So I'm going back in with the Makeup Geek Pumpkin Spice palette, and I'm going in with that burgundy shade. And I'm adding my NARS Climax mascara to my bottom lashes. And I'm using this MAC blush, and it is in the shade Fleeting Romance. And for highlighter, I'm using the Honor Roll highlighter by the Crayon Case. And I'm going back into the Pat McGrath palette, and I'm going to add the lighter gold shade in my inner tear duct. And for lip liner, I'm using the Crayon Case lip liner in the shade Plump. And for lips, I am using the Colored Rain liquid lipstick in the shade Cherry Blossom. And that is today's final look. I hope that you all have enjoyed. I really enjoyed creating this look for you today. Also be sure to subscribe to my channel and also click the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload videos, and I'll see you in the next one.